Today we will make tomato face pack. This bright red vegetable have so much benefits. Apart from being used in the healthy salads and cooking, it can be very effective to get glowing skin naturally if applied correctly. The face pack that we are going to show today, we have already used it routinely and got very good result. So we have decided to share this with you all. Tomatoes are known to have astringent and soothing properties along with a healthy boost of vitamin C that helps reduce acne and dark spots. Its natural acidic properties can remove excess oil. We buy and use various fruit-based face mask or face wash from the market. If we use this type of pure organic homemade remedies properly, we can easily get glowing skin naturally at home. Now we will add curd to this tomato juice. Since we want this face pack to be equally beneficial for tan removal, this plain yogurt going to be a great choice. It's time to add 1 spoon of MULTANI MITTI. Since we have chunks of it, it is necessary to grind it. You can directly buy the powder from the market. If you need detan for your skin, then this ingredient can be a great choice. People often search how to make something for skin whitening, but our goal is to have bright, confident, natural look all the time. So we make and use this kind of herbal face pack ourselves and try to share with you the ones that gave us very good result. Like every time, apply this all over your face and wait until dry. Then wash with cool water. So simple.